Hey guys, so Lugia is coming back to Pokemon GO, so in this video I will tell you guys everything you need to know between the best counters, 100% IVs, so let's hop into it.
I wanna be the very best, like no one else.
So hey guys, like I said in the intro, Lugia is coming back, and it does have a shiny. It'll be on this side of the screen right over here. So starting off with the best counters, number 1 will be Necrozma, Dawnwing with Shadow Claw and Moongeist Beam, Mega Tyranitar with Bite and Brutal Swing, Shadow Tyranitar with Smackdown and Brutal Swing, Mega Gengar with Lick and Shadow Ball, Shadow Raikou with Thundershock and Wild Charge, Xurkitree with Thundershock and Discharge, Mega Diancie with Rock Throw and Rock Slide, Mega Rayquaza with Dragon Tail and Dragon Ascent, Shadow Weavile with Snarl and Avalanche, a Shadow Electivire with Thundershock and Wild Charge, Mega Manectric with Thunderfang and Wild Charge, Shadow Magnezone with Volt Switch and Wild Charge, Mega Banette with Shadow Claw and Shadow Ball, Mega Houndoom with Snarl and Foul Play, Shadow Zapdos with Thundershock and Thunderbolt, Shadow Gigalith with Smackdown and Meteor Beam. Alright, and the 100% IVs for Lugia from raids is 2115 non-weather boosted and 2645 weather boosted, and it gets weather boosted in windy weather. Therian Form Thundurus with Volt Switch and Wild Volt Storm, Hydreigon with Bite and Brutal Swing, Zekrom with Charge Beam and Wild Charge, Shadow Luxray with Snarl and Wild Charge, Shadow Rampardos with Smackdown and Rock Slide, Duskmane Necrozma with Shadow Claw and Sunsteel Strike, Shadow Mewtwo with Psycho Cut and Shadow Ball, Shadow Salamence with Bite and Fly, Normal Tyranitar with Bite and Brutal Swing, Normal Raikou with Thundershock and Wild Charge, Origin Form Giratina with a Shadow Claw and Shadow Force, which is an Elite Charge TM move. It's considered a legacy move. So the only way to get that legacy move is with an Elite Charge TM. Mega Aerodactyl with Rock Throw and Rock Slide, Mega Absol with Snarl and Foul Play, and last but not least, Mega Gyarados with Bite and Crunch. With that being said, guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you guys want to see more Pokemon GO content outside of these videos, I suggest you guys check out the video on the end screen on this side over here. It'll be showing you guys the latest episode of the Shiny Hunting Galarian Birds in Pokemon GO. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.